Emmanuel Conde. So all my life I've been passionate about soccer. I've always played competitively. So when I got the opportunity to get a scholarship to go play at a college, I took it. Unfortunately, it wasn't in the degree that I wanted to get it in, so I decided to come back and get my degree in computer information systems. So in this IT internship, I had the opportunity to meet the Mexican consulate, and me being a first-gen student, bilingual, it really stood out to me because I would love to come back and mentor somebody in that program that wants to get into the IT field. So trabajando en tecnología me va a dar la oportunidad de poder hacer una vida mejor para mis hermanos y hermanas y para dar una mejor vida también a mi mamá que ha sacrificado mucho por mí. IT is an ever-growing industry, so I know that if I get a good paying job, I'll be able to pay it forward, help out my siblings, help out my mom that sacrificed so much for me, and I want to give her a better life. So this IT program has given me technological experience by participating in community events such as the Cures and HSI and STEAM Days, which has opened up opportunities for me that otherwise I wouldn't have. So trabajando en tecnología me va a dar la oportunidad de sacarme para frente y para ayudar a mis hermanos y a mi mamá que ha sacrificado mucho para mí y poder darle una mejor vida. If you're passionate about IT, but you already have your degree in another one, or already in the middle of a program, I say come back to school, get your degree in what you're passionate in, because that's what you're going to do your whole life. So might as well do something that you love, so that way it doesn't seem like work.